Hello everyone, welcome to Ambings Academy classes. I am Amit and in this video we are going to continue our topic tense. So in our previous video we discussed about the condition with before, when before is used as a conjunction word. So there we saw that we can use past simple or past perfect tense with the before as a conjunction word. Later we discussed before as a preposition. So as a preposition, when before is given, in case we always use main verb fourth form. And at the end of the video we took before in the present or future tense. In case of present or future tense, we always prefer present simple tense. Now today we will discuss our sixth condition with after. Condition with after. So first of all, you have to understand at what place we can use after to make a condition with it. So after can be used as a connector word, as a connector word, or is a preposition. As a preposition. So what is the rule with the connector word or with the preposition? So to use after, to use after word, otherwise after connector word, otherwise conjunction word, to use after connector, otherwise conjunction word, we need two sentences. After can be placed at the place of conjunction or connector word if we have two sentences in a single question. If no two sentences are given, if you do not have two sentences in a single sentence, in a single question, in case we cannot use after as a connector word. Second, given sentences must be in past tense. Okay, so when we have used when we have used after as a connector verb, then the given sentence must be written in past tense. If the given sentence belongs to other tense such as present or future, then we cannot suppose the condition that we are going to study now. We can't think about such type of condition. So here past tense. Now see, if the given sentence past tense and we use after as a connector word, after, so we have two sentences, sentences 1 and sentences second with after. In such condition we use two tense of past. It is past simple and past perfect. So with after as a connector word, we use two tense from the past tense. One is past simple and second is past perfect. In past simple, we use main verb second form if the sentence is affirmative. If the given sentence is negative, otherwise interrogative. In case, we use main verb first form with did when sentence is negative or interrogative. So this is the condition of simple tense. In perfect tense, we use had with main verb third form. With verb third form. Here it doesn't matter that the given sentence is in affirmative or negative or interrogative. It doesn't matter. We always use had with main verb third form. But here is the condition: in what sentence we write past simple or in what sentence we write past perfect. So use of tense. Use of tense. So use of tense, if in a sentence after is given, if in a question after is given, so with after we have two sentences, sentence first and sentence second. So that sentence which is written after, after preposition, we always use their past perfect tense. It means had with verb third form. So use had with third form in that sentence which is written after the connector word. Other part of the sentence must be written in past simple tense. Okay. Suppose given connector word after is used in the middle of both sentences. It is sentence first or it is sentence second. So use always past perfect tense in that part of the question which is written after connector word, and remaining part of the sentence use past simple tense. Let's have example. My father bring a book after sleep. So my father space bring a book after I space sleep. So here we have two sentences. This is sentence first and this is sentence second. So that part of the question which is written after conjunction word, always use their past perfect tense. It means had with main verb third form. So I write had slept. That part which is other than past perfect, otherwise other than second sentence, write their second form to make it past simple tense. So I write here brought. So my father brought a book after I had slept. So this is the question of after as a connector word. When after is used as a preposition, so it is the same rule that we have discussed earlier, otherwise in our last video with before. After as a preposition. So in this condition we have same rule. To be a preposition, after must be used before fill in the blank. Then we have main verb and then other part of the sentence. Okay, such condition must be given. If such condition is given, in case we use main verb fourth form. Take an example. My friend was happy after get his new bike. So my friend was happy after space get his new bike. After is used before fill in the blanks. If it is used before fill in the blanks, in case it is the condition of a preposition. In such condition we use main verb fourth form. So fourth form of get, it is getting. So this is the condition after getting his new bike. So this is the topic of after as a connector word, otherwise as a conjunction word and as a preposition. I will come back with a new topic in the same portion of the tense. Thank you and have a nice day.